7 healthy dinner ideas to help you lose weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Looking for a nutritious meal suggestion to aid in your weight loss efforts? We have your back. To keep you pleased and nourished, our chosen collection of 7 healthy meals has an emphasis on wholesome foods, lean proteins, and balanced nutrients. Enjoy delicious dinners without sacrificing your diet. Number 1. Turkey Penne Recipe, 410 calories. Turkey Penne is a delicious and nutritious dinner option that can support your weight loss goals. This recipe combines lean ground turkey with whole wheat penne pasta and a variety of vegetables, providing a balanced meal that is satisfying and low in calories. Here are the specific ingredients for turkey penne. 8 ounces whole wheat penne pasta, 1 pound lean ground turkey, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 zucchini diced, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, grated Parmesan cheese and fresh basil for garnish. Here is the process for making turkey penne. Number 2. Omelette with rice, 340 calories. Omelette with rice is a nutritious and low-calorie dinner option that can support your weight loss goals. This recipe combines eggs with cooked rice and a variety of vegetables, providing a balanced meal that is rich in protein and fiber. Here are the specific ingredients for omelette with rice. 2 eggs, 1/2 cup cooked rice, 1/4 cup diced vegetables, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, herbs or spices for additional flavor. Here is the process for making omelette with rice. Number 3. Homemade pizza, 320 calories. Homemade pizza is a tasty and customizable dinner option that can be enjoyed while on a weight loss journey. By using wholesome ingredients and controlling portion sizes, you can create a healthier version of this classic favorite that is lower in calories and packed with nutritious toppings. Here are the ingredients for homemade pizza. Pizza dough, tomato sauce, lean protein toppings, assorted vegetables, low-fat cheese or dairy-free cheese alternative, herbs and spices for flavor. Here is the process for making homemade pizza. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Quinoa and vegetable stuffed peppers, 170 calories. Quinoa and vegetable stuffed peppers are a nutritious and flavorful dinner option that can support your weight loss goals. These stuffed peppers are filled with a combination of protein-rich quinoa and an assortment of colorful vegetables, offering a balanced meal that is low in calories and packed with essential nutrients. Here are the specific ingredients for quinoa and vegetable stuffed peppers. 4 large bell pepper, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup mixed vegetables, 1/2 cup diced onion, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup chopped fresh herbs, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, shredded cheese for topping. Here is the process for making quinoa and vegetable stuffed peppers. Number 5. Lemon herb grilled chicken with roasted vegetables, 350 calories. fresh lemon herb grilled chicken with roasted vegetables is a flavorful and nutritious dinner option that can support your weight loss goals. This recipe features tender grilled chicken marinated in a lemon herb dressing. Serve with a medley of roasted vegetables for a satisfying and low-calorie meal. For specific ingredients for lemon herb grilled chicken with roasted vegetables: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 lemon juiced and zested, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, salt and pepper to taste. Assorted vegetables for roasting, such as bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, zucchini, and red onion. Process for making lemon herb grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. Number 6. Baked salmon with asparagus, 320 calories. Baked salmon with asparagus is a nutritious, dense, and flavorful dinner option that can support your weight loss goals. This recipe features succulent baked salmon fillets paired with tender asparagus, providing a balanced and satisfying meal that's rich in healthy fats and essential nutrients. Here are the specific ingredients for baked salmon with asparagus: 2 salmon fillets, 1 bunch asparagus trimmed, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 lemon sliced, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making baked salmon with asparagus. Number 7. Vegetarian chickpea curry, 300 calories. Vegetarian chickpea curry is a flavorful and protein-packed dinner option that can support your weight loss goals. This recipe features chickpeas cooked in a fragrant curry sauce with an assortment of vegetables, providing a hearty and low-calorie meal that's rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Here are the specific ingredients for vegetarian chickpea curry: 1 can chickpeas drained and rinsed, 1 onion diced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 zucchini diced, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 can coconut milk, 2 tablespoons curry powder, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Here is the process for making vegetarian chickpea curry. And that concludes our list of 7 healthy dinner ideas to help you lose weight. Do you happen to know any healthy dinner ideas recipe that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!